Okay, so we've had a pretty successful first day. We've redone an area of the original geophysics survey. We've done it with our radar equipment, and this is where we've got to now, which is we've got a fairly nice plan of the Priory Church, so we can see that all of these wall lines here in black, which match up with the conjectured idea from the earlier excavations. We can see obviously that we've filled in some detail, like on this northeast corner here we've got a larger chapel and also a small chapel on this side, and then this band through the middle is where the big ditch that they've been excavating has cut through. But what we can do with that, rather than just have a static single slice, is we can take the whole data block and we can scroll through it and actually solidify out some of the walls in there. And what that allows us to do is actually get a real handle on what's in the ground. So if I start to just turn that, you can really get a sense of the depth of some of those features. And if I stop it when it's near the bottom, the advantage that this gives us is that we can see that some of these wall lines, like these would have been the main nave of the church, and you can see that we've got some very deep foundations just in there, compared to the little chapel on the outside, which has only got very shallow foundations. So we can say that that would have been probably a much less substantial structure. And then if we look down the end of it, we can see that this is where the ditch has been cut right the way through it, and it's just taken out everything. I mean, there's not a sausage in there. Nothing at all. So they're obviously very busily digging through all of that stonework, taking it out meticulously and putting it somewhere else. And the final thing that we've noticed about this is that in this northeast corner, whereas under the rest of the Abbey Church we've got the footings, and then surrounding it, it doesn't look like there's very much at all. Down here we've got a mass of possibly rubble, foundation material, we're not really sure what, but hopefully trenches tomorrow and day 3 will find out what all that mess is.